thank you, Mushdat, for joining me, and you're going to teach me how to cook. So, what's your recipe? I can't pronounce it, so if you could
No,
tell me.
so come on. It's a Turkish recipe,
Yeah.
and it's called Kuru Fasulye. That's Turkish equivalent of baked beans, basically.
Okay. Rightio.
Yeah.
So the reason why we're doing this is we're good friends. We live in France, and we're
Yeah.
all locked down at the moment, so we can't see each other. We can't experience your wonderful cooking. So you're going to teach me. I can't cook. You're going to teach me how to cook one of your favorite recipes. Okay.
It is, yes, yeah.
Right. So
Okay.
let's start. I've got a tin of baked beans, a tin of beans that are just white.
Yeah.
So just want to quickly run through what we're going to do, Mushtat.
Well, basically, whatever that you prepared before with onions and peppers,
Yeah.
we're gonna start caramelizing the peppers and the onions. Then we're gonna add our tomatoes to create our tomato sauce with few herbs and bits and bobs, and finally we'll add our beans to finish it off.
Okay,
And
rightio.
that's a delicious, nutritious, cheap meal.
Great. Okay. So step one, what have I got to do?
Okay, well, first of all, put the pan on heat
Yep.
and get 2 tablespoons of olive oil.
Okay. One, two.
I mean, it depends how much you like olive oil. You can put more if you want to, you can put less if you don't want to. So it's good oil anyhow.
Okay.
So wait for it to warm a bit, but it doesn't need to be very, very hot. So you can put your peppers in now.
Okay, rightio. I'll just swirl that around the pan a little bit. Okay. Okay, so the peppers are in.
Great. The reason we put in the peppers first, Kevin,
Yeah.
is because peppers take longer to caramelize than the onions.
Ah.
So if you put onions first and the peppers after, you're going to burn your onions, but peppers won't be cooked.
Ah, okay, fantastic. Thank you very much. Great tip there. So, when do we put the sugar cube in? At what point?
As soon as you start simmering a bit in the pan,
Yeah. Okay.
put your sugar cube in.
Okay, right. Okay. I'm sorry, I'm jumping the gun.
No problem.
Okay, so just got to wait for those to heat up. How's your back, by the way?
My back?
Yes?
It's very good. Thank you. Thanks for asking.
Good. Missing you guys.
Well, same here.
Yeah.
Here, Joanna and I had similar meal to what we're cooking tonight earlier on. So we're watching the dreaded news. You know, every time you turn any channel on, it's some misery and death and God knows what happened. So it's nice to have this video to sort of like get a bit of fun and joy on your day-to-day lockdown experience.
Yeah, so good to share the love of cooking and the love of your fantastic Turkish recipes. So
yeah, thank you very much. Well, same as French, the Turks do live to eat.
Yeah. Okay, right. That's starting to go now. I can just move that video. You can just see. It's just starting to.
Oh, brilliant. Okay.
Okay.
Fantastic. You can put your sugar cube in now.
Okay. Just crumble it up your hand.
Just crumble up, or just put it in full. It will melt and it's on.
Okay, I'm just gonna. No, I'm not gonna do that because it hurts my fingers.
So the idea is that it actually caramelizes the peppers.
Yeah.
And it takes the bitterness, it takes the bitterness away from it as well.
Oh, okay.
So it could be green peppers, red peppers, yellow peppers, orange, or whatever the peppers that you like. There's no room to put
Okay, well that's sizzling away.
Okay, that probably will be under 5 to 6 minutes, Kevin, so you need to start seeing some browning on the outside of the peppers before we put our onions in.
You need to see what, sorry, on the outside?
Some browning of the peppers, you need to see it's getting a little brown.
Okay,
Not good, but browning.
okay.
Do you know also that this probably will only cost you, I don't know, maybe 2-3 euros or something like that, maybe less than that?
So it's a good cheap meal and very tasty. Yeah.
Well, you've not tasted it yet, let's see. Let's go here first, just what you think afterwards.
Well, I've experienced your cooking before, so
Well, it was me cooking, now it's you cooking. So
yeah. Well, if this works, it should be exactly the same.
Exactly, yeah. Well, if it works, well done to me. If it doesn't, shame on you.
Yeah.
How does it look now? Let's have a look at our peppers again.
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful. Yes, lovely.
Is it ready yet, or just a bit longer?
Couple of more minutes.
Okay, cool. Now I've taken the beans out of the tin,
Yes.
and I've put them in a strainer and washed them and put them in
Yeah, good.
in some water.
Yes, correct. Yeah, you just fantastic. Yeah, we'll always rinse them a bit later on. You know,
Okay.
We'll just drain them a bit later on. Yeah.
Okay. Now I did this because someone said if you don't strain them, that you'll end up with a lot of gas.
Exactly. There's we don't need any more natural gas in the song.
Not in this household, anyway. Okay, right. I think.
You should be ready for onions now.
Yeah.
Chop the onions in.
Yeah. Okay. So I've got the onions all chopped up there.
Yeah, lovely.
I'm just going to show you, just because they're starting to brown quite nicely now.
Yeah, lovely. It'll probably take about 3 minutes or so to get the onions thick and brown as well.
Yeah.
Now, have you still got that tin where the meat has come out?
Yeah, I do. Yeah.
Okay, well, if you just fill that with water and put your cube, the stock cube in it. So you get your, you know the stock cube we talked about, vegetable stock or
Oh, yeah,
chicken
yeah.
or beef or whatever stock.
Yeah. Yeah. So I've got a chicken stock cube, but can you use?
Well, you can use any. You can use any.
Okay. Right. Yeah. It's still got a few beans in it. Shall I get them out or?
It doesn't matter.
Okay.
It doesn't matter. It can stay there.
So, yeah.
Fill that with water. Put that in.
So I crumble it up with my fingers.
Yeah, if you crumble it up, you can stir it better, yeah.
Do I need hot water?
No, cold water.
Sorry, I missed that. Hot or cold water?
It doesn't matter. You can put cold water on.
Okay, I've got some. Okay, so that's got water in it.
Brilliant. It's all ready. So how are we doing with the peppers and onions?
Yeah, they're cooking really nicely. Oh,
Okay, have you got your tomatoes ready?
yep. What I had some plum tomatoes, which I've just blended up.
Okay, fine.
Okay, yeah.
If you put your tomatoes in now.
Okay.
Fine.
Give that a stir.
Yeah.
Do I need to give this chicken stock a stir?
Yeah, give it a good stir.
That's
Obviously,
nice.
if you wanted this to be a vegetarian dish, you put a vegetarian cube in it. You know, if you wanted to, for it to be a vegan, you can put a vegan cube in.
Ah, okay.
So whatever you take your fancy, yeah.
Yep. Okay, so that's bubbling away nicely.
Okay, let's have a look what it looks like now. Oh, beautiful.
Yeah?
Fantastic. We need to reduce that sauce now for, I would say, about 10 minutes or so.
Okay.
What did you do then? Did you put some tomatoes in a blender? Or,
Yeah, yeah.
How did you do that?
I had some plum tomatoes, and I've just put them in a blender.
How many of them? How many did you use? How many?
I can't remember. I'll get the tin.
Okay.
Hang on. It was 800 grams. Is that too much?
Yes, okay, but what we'll do then, we will only use half of that stock
Okay.
in terms of liquid. Yeah.
Okay. Right.
So what's your plan tonight? Are you going to eat this dish, or are you going to leave it for tomorrow, or keep it for tomorrow? What will you
No,
do?
we're going to have it tonight.
With some rice?
Yes, yeah.
Very good. This could also be a side dish if you wanted to. It could be a side dish with some vegetables if you wanted to. You can have it on toast tomorrow if you can't finish it, like you have it with the baked meats. So
Yeah, yeah.
it's very versatile what you can do with it.
Okay, cool. So when do I put the stock in? Yeah or not? Or
Let's have a look what it looks like. Is it reduced a bit? That tomato? Oh yes, lovely. Yes, you can add half of that stock now, then half of it,
okay. Yep.
and keep the other half on the side. Yeah,
Yep.
and then you can drain your beans,
Yep.
and you can add the beans on as well.
Do I need to wash them or just drain them?
No, you just drain them.
Okay, okay. And just add those in.
Yeah, just add those in.
So we've got the spice, the different spices as well.
Okay, lovely. Now you can season your meal. So you can put salt and pepper and mixed herbs and whatever you're gonna put in.
Okay. So how much of each?
Well, it depends how whatever you want things, you know. So sometimes people say pinch of salt. How much salt do you like, you know? So how much pepper do you like? It's your taste. It's normally a teaspoon of it should be alright.
Okay. Well, let's start with a teaspoon. Is that a good mix up?
Yeah, did you put salt in it as well?
No, I haven't yet. Thank you. Just a pinch or?
depends how salty you like. You put a pinch of salt, and then if it starts salty enough, you can always add more.
Yeah. I mean, Julian likes.
One thing with salt, you can always add more, but you can't take it out.
Ah, good. Yeah, Julian likes his salt.
Okay, that's good.
Right, so that's all mixed in.
Lovely. So you just put the lid on, or don't put the lid on, whatever. Just cook it for half an hour.
Yeah.
And if you, during the cooking, next half an hour, if you think that the juice is evaporating, you can always add more of your stock. You've got half of it in there.
Yeah.
Sometimes people don't like them very watery. They like them with condensed, you know. So then it depends on what your taste is like, you know. So you can reduce it if you feel that it's necessary. Put more of the stock. If you're happy with the way it looks, then just leave it as it is. So you should be ready to eat in half an hour.
Okay, I'll just give you another look at what it's looking like.
Let's have a look. Give it a little stir. Lovely. I don't think you're going to need any more stock for that one. That should be good.
Okay, just let it reduce now.
Yeah.
Okay.
And all I can say, what a big.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for partaking, and you know, it's fantastic. Hope to get to see you soon.
Well, hope to see you soon.
Yeah.
Lots of love from the castle.
Okay, love back. Cheers, thank you, bye. Just finished, and this is the end result. So I'm just going to try this. Oh man, Mujdats, that is wonderful. Thank you so much.